Alright, this is my bike check. This is my Haro 350.1 frame. A premium seat. Haro seat posts and seat clamps. I got Black Label cranks. Fly Rubin pedals. Haro bottom bracket. Profile racing. Cone cups, Haro Fusion pegs, 2 of them, the Haro conversion kit back rim. I got Tektro Mechanics, slime pedals, slime brake pads. I got a Stone Revolver front rim. Got Mutiny Glamoid bars, Odyssey M2 lever, Colt Faith grips, best grips ever. Hell yeah. Premium stem. I don't know what the fuck it is. Got Haro zebra forks. I got a Primo analog sprocket. KMC super light chain, premium back tire, and the premium front tire, Cancrete headset, and that's about it. And a 5 linear cable. You can't see the name. It has an ash. Good headset.